today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this office chair. It's super comfortable. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. I'll show you all the assembly at the very end of the video. It was super easy to install, to assemble. Don't need any tools or anything. They give you everything and the instructions are pretty clear. What everyone wants to know, do these arms move? They do move. They will go up like this. So they'll go up 90 degrees. So if you wanted to sit cross-legged on this chair, that is an option. I know that's very popular these days. So that is definitely an option. Or if you wanted your arms up a little bit more, you could do that. Whatever you want to do. The capacity on this is up to 300 pounds. So good capacity there. You'll see here, we could spin around over here. The height is adjustable on this as well. So if you wanted to kind of go down, you can see it goes down really easily. We're just going to control that with this button right over here. You'll see right now the chair is locked. If you wanted to unlock it, you're just going to pull that out just like this. And now we're just rocking back like that. So I really like that. This is kind of what the back of the chair looks like right over here. So nice back. It does have a curved kind of padded back right over here. As you can see here, this is just super, super comfortable, which is great. Lots of thick cushion right over here, which I really prefer. I like the fact that it's on wheels. I can adjust the height if I wanted to. You can adjust it up to 4 inches. So good range there as well. You can just see here, this is what it would look like kind of in a desk setting right over here. So plenty of room to get it on a desk. Again, you can see these wheels here as well. Nice, glides really easy. This would work on carpet as well if you wanted to do that. So if you are looking for an amazing office chair that's super comfortable, easy to put together, can hold up to 300 pounds, has adjustable height, you can lock this back, and just really, really nice. Definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over for review. If you want to see how easy it is to assemble, that's coming right now. All right, personally, I am not that handy, so we're going to see how easy this is to put together. This is going to be our base right over here, which is going to bring the chair up and down. So you will be able to elevate in this chair, which is nice. I like the idea of going up and down, being able to adjust whatever I want. We got the arm right over here. So it looks like this says L. I'm guessing that might mean it is the left arm. This one says R. Looks like they color coded it, which is nice. So I'm just going to kind of, probably will be obvious, but I'm just going to throw that on top of there. Yeah. All right. So, and then we got the cushions over here, kind of the base. We got all our hardware in here. It looks like we got some screws and everything we're going to need. And then we also have what's going to go on the chair. And then we have these. This thing looks awesome. I'm not going to lie over here. We got, look at this here, right over here. Package is really nice. This is like, I really like this a lot. Look at that. Really, really nice material. Nice and thick, which is nice. We got some instructions in here. So I'm going to get the rest of this unpacked and then we'll get started. Moving down to the floor here, we're going to start with assembling the base right over here. This is it right over here. It has this like little piece on it. We're going to put all these legs in it just like that. So we're literally just going to line up just like that. And you'll see right over here, that's where the holes are going to line up. And then we're going to use this J screw right over here. So this one right over here, we're going to open that up. Just push this down to pop that out. Really simple. We're going to put this just like that. It's going to kind of crack that open like that. I usually like to leave these things like face down. This way they don't go anywhere. And I kind of, in my head, could just flip this over and know what it is. So I'm literally just going to take these and we're just going to put these throughout. So these are going to be up in the air like this because we're going to put the wheels on next, I think, according to the instructions. So just kind of get all these situated like that. I would say line your screws up. And then once you have everything lined up and where you want them to be, you'll see right over here, you're going to have to like just kind of pull it out just a little bit to line it up. So you're not gonna push them all the way in. So if you push them all the way in and the screws don't line up, you didn't do anything wrong. So don't worry about that. So you'll see this is what we got going on here. And I'm just gonna take one of these screws just like this, and I'm just gonna adjust this just like that. And I'm just gonna start screwing it in just a little bit on this side. And I'm gonna do all of these together so they're all lined up. And then once everything is lined up and everything looks fine, I'm going to go to the next step and tighten all of them so the base is nice and tight, and then we'll put the wheels on them. So I'm gonna kind of do this. You don't need to watch me put all these screws in, and then we'll get to it. All right, everything is screwed in now. Now it's just time to take these wheels. Literally just gonna push these in just like that. And it's probably easier to just do it on the floor right over here. You're looking right over here. Literally just take it. This way you could use the pressure and just pop them in. This way they click nice and easy, just in there. Super easy to do right over here. And then we're gonna get to the next part of the directions here. So step one right over here is completed. Step two, it looks like we're just gonna take this right over here. We're gonna flip this just like that. So you can see right over here. And then this is just gonna pop in just like that. So you wanna make sure this orange piece is up, because this is kind of where I think that we're gonna put the seat on. So that's step two already, super easy. Next up, we gotta put the base plate onto the seat cushion. So let me go grab that and I'll show you how to do that. Look at this already, it just feels really, really nice. Already like that a lot. All right, this is typically where it gets tricky when you are putting a chair together, is connecting basically the seat to the back. And you'll see right over here, what we're gonna do is we have to line this up. So 2 screws are gonna go right into here. And then this seat right over here, another 2 screws are gonna go into that. So the directions aren't super clear on what to do first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put them probably into this one first, and then I'll connect the seat. I'll let you know what happens. All right, that turned out to be a solid move. We got this one side done right over here. Now we're gonna go to this side. I would say, like, if you're trying to connect these arms, try to do it on a table or something that you can hold it steady just like this, because you don't really want it moving around a whole ton. You kind of want it to be steady. You could also use the box and kind of put the seat over the box and attach the arms. So I'm gonna get this arm in and then we'll get back to it. Base of the chair is done. We got everything. Arms go up and down. The last thing we need to do is we're just literally gonna take this piece right over here and we're gonna put it in this orange piece down right over here. And this should complete the process. So we'll see it just like that. So literally pop it on just like that. Let it sit down and we're done. That was actually really, really easy to get going. So I hope you found this video helpful and that it was easy to install. Super easy. I've done a couple office chairs. This is definitely one of the easier ones. And I'm really excited to testing this out. Looking for an amazing office chair that's super comfortable, easy to put together, can hold up to 300 pounds, has adjustable height, you can lock this back, and just really, really nice. Definitely check this out.